Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover how to install Java in Ubuntu. Let's begin. First we need to open terminal. Then type sudo su command to enter into superuser mode and type password. Then type sudo apt-get update command and wait for update operation to complete. Then type sudo apt-get upgrade command and wait for upgrade operation to complete. Then type sudo apt-get install default-jdk command and wait for Java installation to complete. Then type java-version command. If you get Java version number, then Java installation is successful.